Hello everybody, welcome to my How to Write Chinese Characters lesson. So for this one, it is HSK 1-9. So let's get started with the first character for today, which is 在, to be in or at. Let's see. 在, the first stroke, it is a horizontal line, so 横. And then the second one, it is left falling to cross here in the middle. And then the vertical line, go down. And then a small horizontal line from here, like in the left, right, down part. And then a vertical line to cross this line that we just wrote. So here. And then one line more to close it up in the bottom, like this. Okay, so this is 在. Let's write it 2 more times. Okay, so this is 在. Let's see the next one, 子. So could be 儿子, son. Let's write this one. Normally on this word is a third tone, 子, but when you say it with a lot of words, it's always like a neutral tone. For example, 儿子, 桌子, 椅子. So this is one-time thing. So first you go to the left or to the right, and then a turn, and then a hook. So let me write it one more time. Okay, and then we give him a vertical line to cross it. So here, just cross it again. Yeah, so this is one word, 子. Let me write the word one more time. 子. Okay, so this one is fine. Let's see next one, which is 工. 工. So for this word, it can be 工作, to work. 工人, worker. But 工人is more like worker in the construction field or a physical worker. So this is 工人. It's different from employee. Let's see, employee, you can say 员工. It's also with this word 工. Let me write here, 工. So first you write a horizontal line, so 一个横, vertical line, and then a longer horizontal line in the bottom. Let's write one more time. So this is 工. Okay, so let's see how to say 工人, how to write 工人. Do you know this one? Let me write the 人. It's like the feet of 2 legs, yeah? Like we're walking. So 人, 工人. Okay, this one's fine. Then let's try the structure for this lesson, which is called half enclosure. So for half enclosure, there's like, it's not all closed. They're like half closed and the other half is like open. So we have in total 6 example words. Let's try the first one. 店. You may know this word as 商店 or 书店. 商店 is shop, 书店 is bookstore. So 店. First on the top there's a dot, and then horizontal line, 横, left falling, 撇, vertical line, 竖, small horizontal line, 横, and then there's a 口 in the bottom. So you see here it's like half there are like closed and the other half is stayed opened. Let's write it one more time. Okay, 店 so 商店饭店 Let's see next one. So to study or to learn, which is 习 is actually the surname of our chairman now. So President Xi, Chairman Xi, so Xi. Let's write it. One time thing, don't stop, and then finish. So 横折钩, horizontal line, there's a turn, and then there's a hook. And then one dot here, and then a rising to the top. Not top, and then the middle, like going up kind of direction. Let's see. One more time. Okay. So this is 习 to study. It's part of the study. So full version it is 学习 Like 我学习汉语 我学习中文 I study Chinese language. Next one, this is quite often that you may see 这 So on the top, dot and then a line, left one and then a cross to cross it, which is to the right side, and then so 这旁 so it is actually one radical. So together it is 这 so let's try to write it one more time. Okay, so 这 Let's see next one, it is 同 which we can have 同学 so classmate, schoolmate. So this is on the top, well on outside. And then small line in the middle, and then there's a 口 here. So 同 I also could be 同样 which is the same. 同样 Let me write it one more time. 同 Okay, so this one's fine. Let's see next one. Furious. 凶 like he looks so furious. I'm so scared. So 凶 First we write a cross like this. And then in the bottom, one. And then another one, vertical line to cross it and make it like a half enclosure. So this is 凶 Okay, next one it is 医 This one we met it, which is 医院 hospital or 医生 doctor. This is the half enclosure we wrote it, and then in the middle it's left falling, then the horizontal line, another horizontal line, left falling to cross everything, and this one start here, and then there's a right part. So let's write one more time, and then again. Okay, so this 医 could be 医院 医生 doctor 医院 hospital. Okay, now let's learn the two radicals for today. Turn paper a little bit. Okay, there you go. So the first radical, it is 走之旁 So 之旁 This one, it is a dot and then and then it's not right falling, but it's longer, it's flat, so it's not so steep. And this one's like you are writing a 3 in the middle. They're just with a little bit hard, and then but they're always one time thing. This is one time. A one dot, and then the rest is one time. Okay, example words. Well, okay. So 走 is to walk. So if you have 走之旁 that's a 走 radical, then usually it's really to like a walking, but not it doesn't apply to all the words. Yeah, for example, this 这 is not really walking, but it's just this. Yeah, so it's this. Let me write it. It's just at this, but it is with this radical. So let's write the first one just one more time. 这. Let's write the second example word. To send. Well, if I say to send something to someone, this may involve a movement. Could be walking, so 送. The word 送. Then first one, we write this. We often write the other part of the word and then we write the radical 走之旁. So 2 dots on the top, 横横撇点. So horizontal line, left line, and then a dot. And then is our radical. So if I say 我送送你, let's say you're in the door, near your door area, it's like I will walk you to the door. So your friend is saying goodbye to you, and then you say I'll walk you to the door. Then you can say 我送送你, 我送送你. So this is a 送. So this word we're gonna learn in level 2 as well. It could be like deliver newspaper, so this word can also mean deliver, well it's also like send. Okay, let's see the next one, the radical 门. So this is 门字框 is his name. 门字框. So let's write this is vertical line, yeah, dot, and then 横折钩, so horizontal line come down and then there's a hook. So this is 门. Let's see the example word to ask, which is 问. So first we write this radical and then we put, well, we use our mouth to ask things, right? So there's a mouth in the middle. Let's write one more time. Well, I hope everything that is making sense at this one. So use mouth to ask. Oh, 门 normally means door, yeah. 门 normally means door. Okay, so this one is fine. Then let's see. The second example word, it is 间. 间 could be 房间, which is a room. So let me write it here. So 间. So it's actually very, very similar to the 问, but you have one line in the middle and then close it up. So this one just a cold square, don't have anything in between, but this one 间 you do. So let's write one more time. 间 and then again 间. Oh, okay. 好. So this will be everything for today. Let me write a few words just to sum up. Let's see. How does it study again? 学习. 学习. So how to write the word 学? Oh, sorry. How to write the word 习? Yeah, 习. This and then da. Okay. How to write doctor? 医生. 医. This, da. 医 and then 生 it is this. Let me also write the 学. You see here 学 is this word which is here. So the 子 and then 学. We actually do have a word, it's called 学子. It's also student, like the person who is studying. Yeah, so 学子. 子. Okay, this is 学. Let's see, what is this one here? What is this word? Here, let me write one more time. It is 在. So to be in, to be at, or 在 plus a verb 加上 and then you add a 呢 in the end, like I am studying. There will be a 在 plus a verb, and then you have a 呢, which is right like this. So this is a continuous tense. Well, we're going to talk about it in a normal lesson here just for the characters, but I believe next time you see this word, you will spot it right away. So 在. Okay, so that would be everything for this lesson. It's a little bit long, but I hope you enjoyed it and learned everything and will be recognized them in the future. Great, so I will see you next time in the lesson 10. Bye bye, have a good day.